What is up? It's your boy with Upcoming Fresh 360. It's been a minute. I ain't gonna hold. You know, the last time I actually waved, I stopped waving because it was like too hard for me to maintain. So I was just like, man, I'm just cut it all off. I'm not gonna worry about it anymore. And these last couple of years, I just haven't been waving. I haven't been brushing. I haven't been doing anything. Like nothing. And this last Sunday, I just decided, I was like, man, hey, let me get back to waving. So, and I just started, what I say, Sunday. So it's cool, man. So here's my starting pack, okay? Matter of fact, we're gonna start like you're a beginner, right? I'll make this a beginner friendly video. If you never waved before, here's your starting pack. First thing first, you need your wave cap. That's mandatory, okay? Reason being is your waves need to be laid down, right? Your hair needs to be laid down, especially when you sleep. When you sleep, you move around a lot and it messes with your hair, and you're moving up and down, which causes your hair to get fuzzy, which causes you to lose progress, which you don't want to lose progress, right? We don't want to lose progress to our waves, so you got to keep the hair laid. Hey. Second thing that you're gonna need is a brush, okay? Simple brush, right? What I recommend is a nice medium soft. I think this is like a medium soft. A nice medium soft, so it's like right in between, so where you can brush your hair while it's low and getting, you know, longer, and then medium hard when you're woofing. So the woofing stages usually take around the third week, and woofing stage is typically when your waves can really start coming in, when you really should start brushing. I mean, you really should brush all the time, but whooping stage, that's where it's at too. A mirror is important because if you're a beginner, you don't know how to hit the angles, and you want to make sure you're hitting the angles right, okay? Beginners, I think it's important for you guys to look at the mirror and watch how you hitting the angles, because if you're just brushing, just like, all right, you're just brushing and brushing, you gotta know how to hit the angles first. So that's what I've been doing in a couple of days. Right now, we're gonna keep it basic and simple. All you need, do-rag, brush, mirror, and then hours, or not even hours. What I am trying to do is at least do an hour a day. I used to do like 3-4 hours a day and brush every single day. I've been brushing a lot though, so I at least get 2 to 3 hours a day. So I brush like 15 minutes here and there, and then I brush in front of the mirror, and so on and so forth. But that is the way to get waves. I started back up on this Sunday. So y'all want to see the wave progress? Honestly, it's okay. I haven't waved in a long time. It's been a minute, man. It's been a minute, so I'm not expecting too much progress, especially for the first week. But this is the first week progress of me not waving, and I honestly think it is not bad. So I'm gonna get a nice good brush session, and yeah, we're gonna get active, man. Honestly, the way I can see the progress coming in quickly already goes to show that no matter how long you're going, if you have the waves imprinted, you'll get them quickly. I remember my first week, I did not see any, like even the ripples. I didn't even see no ripples. I was just brushing and brushing and brushing and brushing. As you can see, this is my progress right now. Ain't much, right? But you see a little ripple right here, but ain't much. I literally had no waves the first week, the second week, no. And here I just see ripples. So from my case, since I waved before, I might end up getting there by month 2, month 3. I'm saying 3 to 4 for me. I'm gonna say 3, month 3 or month 2. That's when I really start seeing results. If I continue to brush. Yeah, I've been brushing. If I'm brushing 3 to 4 hours a day, I'll get there. No time. But yeah, that's my me coming back video. And then also to the beginners, if you're new to this channel, yeah, it's been some years, man. Hope y'all been doing great. I don't have that many subscribers, but I think I want to start back up because, you know, get them waves back. I think it's time. I'm put the effect right here. Watch this. Woo! How it looking? How it looking? But yeah, y'all, that's the progress for the first, not even a week. It's only been a couple days. Well, it's only been, what, 5 days? I started on Sunday. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I try to make it short, not too long. But it's your boy with upcoming Fresh 360 Waves. And you already know what the deal is. Peace.